Looking to transfer a balance to your Chase Freedom Card? There are three main ways to check your available offers as of August 2025. First, log into your Chase online banking account or mobile app and navigate to the credit cards section. Look for a balance transfer or special offers tab to view personalized offers. Second, use the pre-qualification tool on Chase's website to see estimated terms without impacting your credit score. This is a safe way to explore your options. Finally, call the number on the back of your card to speak with a representative who can provide current promotions and discuss your eligibility. Your offers will include the promotional APR period, which can range from 15 to 21 months, and the balance transfer fee, typically 3% with a $5 minimum. Terms vary based on your creditworthiness. Choose whichever method works best for you to find and compare your Chase Freedom balance transfer offers.